Many parents who come to me for treatment complain that their child's not able to tolerate being in a prone position. That means being on the tummy or tummy time. For treating torticollis, tummy time is the #1 thing that's really going to make your child improve quickly. It also is the cornerstone for all developmental movement. So we really want to make sure that your child's able to be on their tummy for a fair amount of time. It might be a good idea to start just doing it 1 minute at a time and building minute by minute as you go. So starting with 1 minute, building to 2, 3, and up. So a few simple things that will make it easier for your baby are to support the chest as the baby's lying on their stomach. So you can use something really simple like a rolled up receiving blanket and just place it under the chest so that when the child goes to lift the head, they're not lifting it completely from a flat position. They only need to lift a few degrees. That allows the child to be successful at what they're doing and not get so frustrated. Some other things you can use for the same purpose are a pool noodle. This is a very inexpensive solution. This is something I just cut down from a large pool noodle. Or you can actually buy a pillow that is a small boppy pillow. And babies usually really like this pillow. It's very comfortable. And just let them get into this supported position on the pillow, and they'll really have a much easier time lifting their head. So part of the whole program of being on the tummy is that we create an environment for that to happen. So babies love to look at themselves. So my #1 ingredient for having successful tummy time is having a mirror that you lay across a piece of furniture in a room that you're in frequently, like a family room. It's a very simple mirror. You could get at any hardware store. But babies love to look at themselves, and they also need a lot of visual stimulation. When you stimulate them visually, they will lift their head. They will look. But if there's nothing really to look at, if they're just looking at the floor, there's really no reason to lift up. And that lifting up of the head creates a weight shift down through the entire body, which allows them to start moving against gravity, which is such an important thing for them, to be able to maintain their body against gravity. Some of the other things I like to have are a soft surface to lie on. This is a sheepskin. It's really comfy. Other things that will entertain the baby, like musical toys, things that move, that are kinetic, things they can easily grab, like a toy like this. This is also another baby favorite. And if your baby has one side that they prefer, so if they always look to the right, what you would want to do is place all the toys on the left. So that gets them to look more to the left, opposite with the right side. But this setup can really make a difference, and it's a go-to position for your baby and for yourself.